Shattered comb, scattered wax, chaos. After a wild autumn storm, it looks like disaster inside a Sydney hive. But watch closely. Honeybees rush to the damage, antennae twitching, touching, sending invisible signals. It seems random, but it's not. Worker bees use their antennae to detect broken edges and chemical cues left by injured bees. They signal each other, passing information along the comb about which areas need urgent repair. Instead of a queen directing traffic, these signals create a living map, guiding repair teams. Why does this matter? If cracks stay open, cold autumn nights chill the brood and honey stores leak away. Using antennae, bees quickly patch holes, ensuring the hive's survival as nectar slows and nights cool. Right now in Sydney, storms can hit hard. Without rapid, coordinated repairs, a hive can lose precious stores just when they need them most. Here's something odd. Sometimes bees cluster at a spot that looks fine to us, but their signals reveal hidden cracks. Suddenly, wax flows. The repair begins. This is how honeybees quietly defend their home from the elements. This is what we're seeing here in Sydney at Bee-Croft Honey.